What if I told you Swiss currency isn't just money, but one of the most advanced pieces of technology in the world? Hidden features, color-shifting inks, and invisible details protect every note. And by the end of this video, you'll start spotting secrets in cash you never noticed before. Stay till the end. High in the Swiss Alps, where precision is not just a skill but a way of life, something extraordinary begins its journey. Long before a single number is printed or a color is applied, the story of Swiss currency starts with a material so advanced it quietly redefines what money can be. Inside a highly secure facility in Landkart, innovation takes shape in the form of DuraSafe, a unique three-layer substrate that blends the familiarity of cotton paper with the strength of polymer. It is here that raw cotton fibers are transformed into something far more sophisticated, engineered to survive years of circulation while carrying some of the most advanced security features ever created across Switzerland's banknotes. What makes this substrate truly remarkable is how it is built. Two outer layers of pure cotton paper are fused with a transparent polymer core under intense heat and pressure. The result is not just a sandwich of materials, but a single, inseparable structure where the polymer bonds deep within the fibers of the paper itself. This creates banknotes that feel traditional in the hand, yet perform like modern, high-tech materials. If you could zoom in close enough, you would see this microscopic layering, a hidden architecture designed for durability, flexibility, and security all at once. Once the substrate is complete, it travels under strict security to Zurich, where one of the oldest and most respected printing companies in the world takes over. Aurel Fuseli has been producing Swiss banknotes for over a century, and inside its walls, centuries of craftsmanship meet cutting-edge technology. Before printing even begins, the entire design of Swiss currency is carefully prepared. These notes are not just about value, they are about meaning. Each denomination carries a unique theme, reflecting different aspects of Swiss identity, such as communication, time, light, and organization, symbolizing the country's connection to both tradition and the modern world. The design itself is a masterpiece of detail. Each banknote carries its own distinct color, making it instantly recognizable. Carefully chosen symbols and imagery represent Swiss culture, science, and society, while the layout is designed with both beauty and functionality in mind. Every line, every curve, every tiny detail is carefully planned, because this is not just design, it is security in disguise. The first real transformation begins with the application of a kilogram foil stripe. This is no ordinary strip of foil. It is a highly advanced optical security feature that changes appearance as you move it. When light hits it from different angles, it reveals shifting colors and moving images that are almost impossible to replicate. Applied with precision using heat and pressure, it bonds permanently to the substrate, becoming part of the note itself. Even at this early stage, Swiss banknotes already carry a powerful visual defense against counterfeiting. Next comes offset printing, where the notes receive their background colors and intricate patterns. In a single pass, both sides of the sheet are printed simultaneously, a process that demands absolute precision. Fine guilloche patterns spread across the surface, forming complex designs that are beautiful to look at, but incredibly difficult to copy. At this point, the notes begin to take on their recognizable appearance, but everything remains flat, smooth, and almost deceptively simple. Then comes one of the most iconic stages in banknote production, intaglio printing. This is where Swiss currency gains its texture, its personality, and its unmistakable feel. Thick, viscous ink is pressed into deeply engraved steel plates, and under enormous pressure, the paper is forced into those grooves, pulling the ink back out as raised ridges. This is how key design elements, text and numbers, come alive on the surface. If you run your fingers across a real Swiss banknote, this is what you feel. The subtle but distinct texture that signals authenticity. The same process is repeated across both sides of each note, ensuring that important elements stand out not only visually, but physically. These raised features are not just for aesthetics. They are a critical part of how people verify the note by touch, especially for those who rely on tactile features in daily use. As the notes continue their journey, another layer of innovation is added with spark ink. This special ink creates a colour shifting effect that changes when the note is tilted. It is applied to specific elements of the design, adding yet another dimension of movement and visual complexity. It is subtle, but once you notice it, it becomes one of the easiest ways to confirm a note's authenticity. Each banknote then receives its own unique serial number, a kind of fingerprint that allows it to be tracked and verified. No two notes are the same, and this individuality adds another layer of control and accountability within the system. At the same time, tactile markings are added along the edges, allowing visually impaired users to identify different denominations by touch alone. One of the most fascinating features is created using laser technology. Known as microperf, this process uses precise laser pulses to create thousands of microscopic holes in carefully designed shapes. Invisible at first glance, these designs become clear when the note is held up to the light. It is a simple idea, but executed with such precision that it becomes incredibly difficult to replicate. Swiss currency also incorporates transparent windows within the substrate, a feature made possible by the polymer core inside Durasafe. These clear areas allow light to pass directly through the note, creating a striking visual effect, while also serving as a powerful anti-counterfeiting element. Within or around these windows, additional printed details and micro-elements enhance both the beauty and the complexity of the design, making duplication extremely challenging. Beyond what the eye can see, Swiss banknotes include invisible security layers that only appear under ultraviolet or infrared light. Under UV illumination, certain elements glow in vibrant colours, revealing hidden patterns, numbers, and markings that are completely invisible under normal lighting. These features are used by banks, retailers, and authorities as quick and reliable ways to verify authenticity in real-world situations. Another subtle but powerful feature lies in microprinting. Tiny lines of text, often too small to read without magnification, are embedded within the design. These microscopic details are printed with such precision that even high-end counterfeit methods struggle to reproduce them accurately. Alongside this, complex geometric patterns known as guilloches are layered throughout the note, forming intricate designs that are mathematically precise and nearly impossible to duplicate by hand or standard printing techniques. Before any banknote is approved, it must pass through an advanced inspection system. High-resolution cameras, ultraviolet lights, and infrared sensors scan every detail, checking for even the smallest imperfection. From the alignment of the print to the performance of each security feature, everything is verified against strict standards. Any note that does not meet these requirements is automatically rejected, ensuring that only perfect examples move forward. Once approved, the large sheets are carefully cut into individual notes. For the first time, the finished banknotes appear in their final form, complete with all features, colours and textures. They are then sorted, counted and bundled into precise quantities. Each bundle represents a significant amount of value, handled with the same level of care and precision as every step before it. Finally, the notes are packaged into secure containers and handed over to the Swiss National Bank. From there, They are distributed across the country, entering circulation through banks and ATMs. What began as raw cotton and polymer now becomes a trusted medium of exchange, used in everyday transactions, yet carrying within it an extraordinary level of engineering and artistry. And when you hold Swiss currency in your hand, you are not just holding money. You are holding a story of innovation, craftsmanship, and trust. Every detail, from the raised ink to the shifting colours, from transparent windows to hidden perforations, is a reminder of the effort and expertise behind it. It is a small piece of Switzerland itself, precise, reliable, and quietly remarkable.